How to change Uber driver profile picture. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can change Uber driver profile picture. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to go to the Uber support. Since the Uber application or the website does not give you the option to change your profile picture to your account settings, so in that case you have to contact the Uber support. So once you're already logged into your Uber application, you have to tap on the menu or the three-line icon from the home page at the top right corner. From there you have to tap on help. Now once you're here on the help, you have to go to contact support. So once you're under the contact support, wait for a while until it's get connected to the agent in Uber support. And once it is completely connected, now you could chat with the Uber support from this interface. So once you are connected, now you could send message to Uber support. There you can type in that you're unable to update your profile picture in the application, so please help to update it. And if it requires your photo, make sure to update or attach your photo as well. And once you're done with that, your Uber support will reply, and if approved, they will manually update your profile or follow the instructions as guided by the contact support. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.